We'll start by using the topology of the scalp as the starting point to form the hair base. Since we're working on the hair, we'll use a mask modifier to hide the rest of the body so it's out of the way. Selecting the head and neck, under Object Data, we'll create a vertex group. Name it Head and assign it a full weight of 1. Add a mask modifier. Select the head vertex group. Enable Use Modifier and apply modifier to editing cage. Move it above the subsurf modifier. Selecting the hair base, we'll duplicate and separate it. Deleting the unnecessary material and vertex group. And naming it Geo Hair. Deleting these vertices to create an opening for the ponytail. Adding a few more edge loops. Using the Fatten tool, translating this back to snap cursor to selected, deleting it to add a circle in its place, adjust rotation and scale, and 52 vertices to match the number of vertices at the hair base opening. Rotate and delete the half that will be mirrored once joined. Extrude and adjust to the circle. To magnet and merge these vertices, we'll enable the following 3. Snap during transform, snap to vertex, and auto merge. Click and drag to the circle. Disable magnet and auto merge. Adding a few more spans. Rounding out the shape. intersecting the hairline into the head. Deleting the hair base color in the body mesh to view more clearly the hairline intersection. Ensuring a smooth transition into the hairline. Parting the hair at the center. Hiding the hairline so it's not affected during the proportional editing. Scaling in the ear. Finalizing the shape at the back. And forming the profile silhouette. Next, we'll apply mirror to add asymmetry, moving the hair part to the side. And finalizing the overall shape before adding the hair strands. using the reference to visualize ponytail placement. With cursor to selected, we'll create a hairband using a cylinder. Next, we'll add a solidify modifier, adjust thickness, and apply. Add a subsurf modifier, add edge loops to define form, lining up the hair to the hair tie. And reducing the subsurf view on these meshes for now.